Hey, this is Joel Dutton. Hey, just want to talk a little bit about, we're going to give you a video here of this car we're selling in Navarre on the 19th here, which is tomorrow. But just a real nice, clean car. As said, Bob Shedlar owned it. He was an attorney here.
Start it up. Keep talking.
Jack's going to start it up, and we're going to pop the hood on it and also on the trunk. As mentioned, I think most of those miles he taught business law up at Akron University, and I would bet anything that most all those miles are just going back and forth from Navarre up here, up 21 and going to Akron U. So here we got it running. How's it sound, Jack?
Quiet. It's ready to roll. Ride and drive.
That sounds like a sewing machine. That's a big singer in there. There is one boo-boo here. We'll show you on the right rear that we'll take a video for you. But just going in there and like I say, it's not a brand new car. Here is a little spot here that's got a little rust on it. You can take a look at that, and then the interior here. And Bob just kind of drove these cars. He wasn't a perfectionist that was waxing every week or anything, but you know, for a second car or for a kid's car or a young person getting their first car or whatever, it'd be a good one. And Jack, can we pop the trunk?
Yeah, let me see. I'll hit the button.
Yeah,
We'll walk right around there so they can see it.
Yep.
So they know what they're bidding on.
Yeah, we want you to know. Here's where that boo-boo is. I don't know whether the owner here, Bob, he might have backed into something. It looks to me like he made you know, I think he probably parked at the parking decks up there, but it looks like he might have caught something here on this right rear. And of course, it's open to look at tomorrow on the 19th. You can come and take a look at it. Other than that little boo-boo there, it is
pretty clean, Joe, really.
Yeah, it is what it is. And here again, if you want to come down and look at it, please do so.
Yeah, by all means, or give us a call. 330-879-5000. The car goes tomorrow at 7 o'clock, online only.
What's the date?
That's
September 19th?
September 19th. That's tomorrow.
September 19th.
So it's with all these opportunities, you want to check our upcoming auctions because we've had a lot of recent automobiles, and there's a big equipment sale coming up in Navarre also. We're almost like the car guys. We know cars, but we're not. We know auctions.
We know
Give us a
auctions.
call. We can help.
All right, thanks, Jack.